Grand Rising, everybody. It's a beautiful Saturday we've never seen before. Get this seatbelt off. And I'm at a new client's house to assess a dry vent issue. Not necessarily an issue, but I'm here to just basically clean out the dryer vent. This is something that you can definitely add to your list of services. It's real simple. It takes really not too much effort. You know, a drill and a little dry vent cleaning kit, and you out of here. You know what I mean? But anyway, I'm also going to check out a Skylight that's got a little leak. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, turns out the dryer vent actually wasn't clogged at all. The client was having issues with it taking too long to dry. It was actually, she had it on the normal setting, energy saving setting. So it really wasn't getting hot. That was the very first thing I noticed once I took the cover off the outside vent. I asked her to turn it on, and it was cold air. So I went inside, sort of did a little troubleshooting, and found out that every other cycle except the normal cycle had a energy saver indicator on there. And as a matter of fact, the client didn't even know that it was a touchscreen. It was the funniest thing in the world. But anyway, now I'm here checking out this Skylight. Just talked to the client. She said that the leak was down here on the inside of the house. You can see right here where the water is accumulating and just settling here and puddling. This stuff has a lot of cracking and stuff in it. So I'm gonna dry it out and just try to reseal it. And I'll go ahead and seal all these cracks in here for the client. All right. Real simple fix. Y'all stay tuned. Peace. I'm basically attempting to dry out as much water as I can possibly get, or as best I can, and then I'm going to apply some sealer, roofing cement, construction cement, sealer, silicone. There's probably a number of things that you can use, but there's not much that's going to hold up or have the durability unless you get the right stuff, you dig? So I'm gonna caulk all this or seal it. Stay tuned. All right, all done, guys. Check this out. I basically just took some construction sealer. It's all purpose. I mean, this stuff, literally almost as it's coming out of the tube, it's starting to harden big time. Literally rubberizes this seal on the Skylight. I'm almost certain that that's going to do the job. All right, real simple fix. Easy upsell on your services, and you know, y'all keep banging, man. Wash on.